Hi everyone, I wanted to give you a sneak peek, kind of a behind the scenes of the different things that we have going on. I did a previous video where we were having mystery boxes. If you get a small mystery box, you'll be getting items such as lashes. We have different types of lashes, makeup sponges. You'll be getting needle and thread. If you do sew, you'll also get some temporary hair color. That's in the small. You get to pick if you are doing any type of style, like if you're doing crochet hair or braids or that sort of thing. We have braiding hair, antibacterial braiding hair. And then we've added a couple of new boxes. So if you would like to do a kit, like say you want to do a full roller set, I have a couple of videos showing you how to do that. So we actually have the roller set kit, and you'll pick the type of rollers you want, if you want the hard magnetic or you want the mesh rollers. I have the slide-in clips. You'll be getting your spray bottle. You'll get a mini container of setting lotion. You'll have your teasing brush, plastic caps. You'll even have a pair of scissors. Those are also the equipment will be included in the $40 mystery boxes. And if you want to do specifically a crochet unit, we have a crochet kit. So you will pick the type of hair you want. If you want short 2-strand twists, long 2-strand twists, or long box braids, let me zoom out. Or if you want to crochet wavy hair, we have styles for that. So you'll have enough hair to do a full crochet look. You'll also have your crochet hook. You'll have your net. You'll have different kind of wave caps. You'll have some clips. So we have right now, we're running 2 different scenarios. We have the mystery boxes, which were included in a previous video. And then we've added the roller set kit, and we've added the crochet kit. So stay tuned for more. And check us out at www.krwbin.com. Stay tuned. We'll be packing up these boxes this weekend, but they are available to order now on the website, just in time for your new look for Valentine's Day.